everyone. My name is Corinne Smith. I'm a graduate gemologist here at Oliver Smith Jeweler, and I'm here with my father, Oliver Smith, who's also a graduate gemologist here. We are here to give you the ultimate holiday guide to buying diamond studs at our store. We have 2 locations here in Scottsdale, Arizona, and we have 1 in Aspen, Colorado. We have no one better than Oliver here to tell us how he came upon finding the perfect diamond stud. Right?
Well, it was a process of elimination where our clients all seemed to want the same thing. They wanted a really great look without breaking the bank. And what we've discovered is that we know exactly what will make the client happy. So we don't carry a huge selection of diamonds in all different grades and all different sizes because that's not going to work for our clients. What they want is they want different price echelons and size echelons. So we start with, let's say, 1 carat total weight, and we use only GIA certified diamonds. We use, which is the most stringent criteria for a diamond.
Right.
The GIA certificate's the best.
Which is where we got our GGs.
Right, and so in a half carat, we might use an H SI2 for the grade because that gives you the most bang for the buck. And then we go up to a carat each, which is an H or an I color, SI2, and then we go to 3 carats and then 4 carats. And so all these size echelons allow you to trade up down the road because a lot of people are just starting a family and diamond studs are a really core item.
Right.
So they want to start with something to maybe give something like this holiday season as a great gift for their wife. Maybe they can only afford $5,000 and that's for a carat and a half total weight. But then 5 years down the road, they're made some other accomplishments that they want to realize in a new gift for a bigger stud so they can trade those in. So we offer that trade-in privilege, which is fantastic.
Right, so of the 4 C's, there's diamond cut, which arguably is the most important. We definitely take that into consideration with our diamond studs. So we're gonna do excellent cut or triple excellent cut with all of our diamond studs, correct?
Yeah, which is kind of unusual because most people don't prioritize that the way we do. So that gives it the best scintillation that money can buy.
And then we're gonna set them in a 3-prong martini setting. So that's gonna give you the best look on your ear versus a basket setting.
Yeah, we discovered years ago that the martini setting, which gathers much quicker than a basket setting, makes it look so good on your ear because you don't see a lot of framework holding the stone. It's basically almost like the stone is just sitting on the ear. Without any support.
So definitely come by and visit us this holiday season or give us a call if you have any questions.
We're loaded.
Yeah, and we are also online. We have an online website and YouTube channel. Please let us know.
We won't run out.
No,
but don't
we are
wait
loaded
too
with
long.
studs.
Don't wait too long.